When you purchased your FunShine Digital subscription, you also purchased access to the FunShine Digital assessment system. In order for teachers to be able to record observations in FunShine Digital, they must be assigned to a classroom and children must be added. Only the administrator on the account can create classrooms. Teachers and administrators can add children once the classrooms are created. To add classrooms, be sure you're logged into an administrator account and click Manage My Digital Subscription. Then click the Classrooms tab. Enter the classroom name, select the teacher from the drop-down, and click Save. Once the classroom is created, children can be added to the class. To add children, click the Children tab. Since we're logged in as an administrator, we can see all children currently enrolled in the school. To add a child to the new classroom, click Add Children. Enter the child's first name, last name, gender, date of birth, and assign the classroom by choosing the class from the drop-down. Then click Save. When you're finished adding children, click Done. The time may come when you need to move a child from one class to another. This can be done easily from the Children tab. Let's move Bennett from the Terrific Tigers class to the Super Squirrels class. Click View beside the child's name you want to move. Select his new classroom from the drop-down, select the date you'd like for him to move, and click Assign Child to Classroom. Next, you need to remove Bennett from his previous class. Click Edit beside his old class. In the pop-up, select the last date Bennett will be in the Terrific Tigers class and click Save. You can also make changes to your classroom by clicking Edit next to the classroom name. Here you can add or change teachers and children. If you have any questions about setting up classrooms or adding children to FunShine Digital, please don't hesitate to contact us.